Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Forex Trader. The Simple Forex Scalper show is a live stream services provider. So you become a student and you can join our live trading class and offer the foreign services. You get Forex signal service on a monthly subscription basis. And two, you get our simple 123 foundation secret video course. And finally, you can also join the S123 mentoring program with the wave calculator, which we're going to share with you with our forecast for this pair. And just send an email, simpleforexscalper@gmail.com. More than happy to give you some more info on those programs and services. Now the video we're going to show you is a highlight forecast of the pair. Is for educational purposes only, so let's have a look and get into it. Okay, so we're trading, we're actually forecasting the USD against the Canadian dollars, and we're looking at the weekly charts here. Weekly chart shows that overall from here all the way, this is back in 2017, it's been uptrending, moving up very strongly against against the Canadian dollars here. It's been trending up, and the price has been staying above the 200 moving average all along on the weekly charts. The previous high is up here, and it's been actually since it hit the previous high back in March 2020. It's been constantly moving down at the moment, so most likely it's going to move down further towards the 200 moving average, which is down here, probably another 200-300 pips before it even going to retrace back up. So let's have a look at the daily now. Okay, so we look at the daily, as you can see, a lot better. The previous high that we look at is here. This is back here, it's a previous high, and then you got a high here, but overall it's been trending down. As you can see, it should be trending down a bit further, going towards, like I said, the next 200-300 pips. As you can see back here, this is where the previous low here, so it's got a bit of a movement down, so that's about 430 pips all down further, and a bit of a support here, a bit of support here. So we'll see how we can plot this using the wave calculator here. So let's plot it 1, 2, 3. So we've got a new high here, new low here, and we've got a retracement here as well, up here. So the retracement is here is where we enter our trade. If you is where we enter our trade. The retracement here, change that to this color so you can see better, so that's fine. And the stop loss will be up here, so let me just stop loss is up here. So normally stop loss is about 20-30 pips up from the price that you're taking. So therefore down here is your next week take profit target. I think there's one more here. Yep, there is one more here. So this is next week take profit target is in this box here. There's about 7 targets that the wave calculator has given us the price entry exit. So we enter a trade here. So it may retrace back up towards the moving average up here, and then it'll drop back down to take the first target, which is about 100 pips. Second target is about 150 pips. The third target is about 200 pips, which is priced at 1.2367, and then it may retrace back up slightly before it move back down towards the fourth target here, which is at 1.3174, or it may retrace there about 300 pips. and then it comes to the fifth target at 357 pips, and the price will be at 1.3128, and then the sixth and the seventh here all up before it decided to move back up, which is here about 570 pips altogether here on the seventh target, and the price for this seventh target is 1.2903 is the take profit lot target here on a daily charts. So if you like to scalp, you can. Let's have a look at the if you want to be a day trader, you can. Let's clear this off and just go to the 1 hour charts as well, give you an indication of where this price will be moving up or down into. So here we go. Okay, so we can see that on Friday it has been consolidating here. Hasn't been moving much at all, as you can see. Consolidating around this area, decided to see if it moves up or down, but according to the trend, it's already moving down because of the you can see here the moving average is actually moving down and down and down below the moving average here. So it's been staying below the moving average, so definitely for the last 5 days, which is looking like continue to move down further. So if you're a day trader, let's plot a 1 2 3. So we plot a 1 2 3 here. Press the wave calculator. We look at the previous high. That's the first point. The second point is the next low. Previous low is here, so 1 and 2, and then retracement is here. Bingo. So let me just get the targets out for you here. So this is the seventh target. So if you enter this trade, you enter between this level here where the blue box is, and your take profit will be here. Okay, stop loss will be up here, stop loss here, which is about where the moving average is. So that's where your stop loss is. Just place it above the top of the moving average. Okay, so that will be an ideal situation in this case for this pair. Alright, so what is our first target here that we're most likely going to hit? Let's have a look. So if you enter the trade here at a 38% retracement, your first target will be around 60 pips, which is priced at 1.3355. Second target is 1.3346, which is about 75 pips. Your third take profit is at 1.3334, about 88 pips, and then your fourth target is 1.3311, which is about 108 pips. Your fifth target is at 1.3299, which is about 120 pips, and then your sixth and your seventh here overall price at 1.3244, and it's about 177 pips here overall for your seventh take profit target. So what I normally do is take profit around the first three target here, and most probably sometimes I actually move further to the fourth target, and then it will definitely hit that around that first 3 to 4 target here is definitely ideal with this calculator that we're using to make this trade. Give us a quick indication where we can exit the trade at a profit. And if you're going to take a loss, we're definitely around 20-30 pips here if we trace back up towards our take profit, so our stop loss target up here, and definitely a lot more. Look at this in terms of risk reward ratio here is probably about times 10 or more. If you're looking at the last 6 and 7 target here, it'll be times 10 for sure in terms of your take profit. Okay, so we hope you like today's forecast of the USD Canadian dollar pair and on the 1 hour charts. Hope you enjoyed today's forecast. If you do, thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you back shortly next week. Have a good day. Bye for now.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. the light.